strange way. What? Oh, my bad. How the fuck do they make this? Even I get be like, what the fuck? Give rubber trails on the asphalt, which makes it slippery in the long term. Into Amsterdam at the moment. Dylan Ackerman, good job. Why? And driving with those silos, as you can see on the right side, those chrome trailers. And after 1.5 years, I managed to get a job that perfectly fitted my description of what I wanted to be. Yep. One car with a trailer. Probably catch too much wind because it's really windy. I can actually feel it just shaking around. And it probably flipped over and now has to be.
Corona-slachtoffers in Engeland blijft stijgen. De organisator van een huisfeestje kan nog veel hogere boete krijgen in Engeland.
There we go.
Het weer nog vanuit het zuiden neemt de bewolking toe. Vanavond gaat het bijna overal.
Javelin in front.
Komende nacht wordt het droog. Minimaal is het dan 4 graden. Morgen overdag af en toe zon. Plaatselijk een bui. Alles tot ongeveer 7 graden. En het weekend is het nog ietsje kouder. Dit was het in de
Yo!
Strijder!
Eindelijk! Look, there he is, straight in front of us. Team is spotted. Got the stream snipe. Really nice. Appreciate it. Truck is impatient. Gonna go over the pedestrian side to overtake. Fast boy, Romanian driver. Another one. This one is from SK. That's a Belgian one. Here we go. You saw him doubting. Let's go, Scania. Fit between. You can do it. Yes, yes. Oh, more vans passing by. This guy casually working. Look at this. Gotta love it. Sonny, we cannot tell what we load in. So we always say blinker fluid. It's gonna be liquids that you can eat.
A massive shout out to trucker_Dylan on Twitch, currently live streaming himself driving his truck around Belgium IRL with me on in the background. I'm shocked, to be honest. That's wicked. I'm going to stick around in the Twitch chat for a bit, so if you see me, say hello. I'm at HeyI'mDav on Twitch. But for now, that's your latest for the travel, and this one going out to the wonderful Draxilius. Next week on the show, we are bringing on, or not next week, this Saturday on the show, we are bringing on the one and only 220 Kid to talk about his new remix of this track. It's The Wellerman on TFM. Good afternoon, and yeah, join me on Saturday.
So be really turning it down.
into.
No! Oh my god, did you see that, guys?
Good afternoon. afternoon.
No, the truck on the left.
24 minutes to 5 across the
No,
UK,
if you clip that.
6 across
No.
Central Europe.
He was standing in front of a yellow stone brick. And he just pulled out and hit the yellow brick. He didn't see it.
Because I've been watching it all afternoon. I've been watching some of the other people as well, and it's been absolutely fantastic. But yeah, that's what I've got to say. Let's play new music. This is Alan Hardy.
Thank you so much for the shout out.
On TFM.
So this guy was parked on the left, and
Tracker Dylan this morning. He's talking about we were just chilling, so make sure you tune in and say hello. And definitely always nice to pop into his stream and hear him like
exclamation mark
it's
car.
like it's a real radio. I mean, it is a real radio, but you get what I mean. It's weird, especially when it's me. It's like, hey, that's me in the truck. That's really cool. So there you go. Big shout out to the truck.
Thank you very much for the shout out.
We're going to be jumping into the 10 o'clock script.
If I fuck up right now with not knowing where to go, I think the men will not be too happy. Welcome. For all the new guys in the channel, my name is Dylan, 24 years old, truck driver in the Netherlands, taking you with me on my daily routine as a truck driver, showing the real stuff, what it's like to be a truck driver, all the fun things, also the sad parts, and just have a great community.